Imagine you're dealing with a problem where you need to copy data between arrays of structures and structures of arrays in C++. You have successfully used the convenient syntax of std-ranges transform to copy values from an array of structures to a structure of arrays. However, when the tables turn and you need to copy values from a structure of arrays to an array of structures, you find yourself stuck with a for loop that you wish to replace with a more elegant solution. This is where the problem arises. Moving on to the solution, you can tackle the issue by creating a transform view of the specific field you want to copy data into, without affecting other fields. By utilizing the transform view of v1, you can seamlessly copy the values from the structure of arrays to the array of structures. This approach streamlines the process and eliminates the need for a cumbersome for loop. It's amazing how a simple adjustment can simplify a task and make your code more readable and efficient. The solution offers a neat and concise way to handle the data transfer seamlessly. In summary, the solution provided a clever workaround to efficiently copy values from a structure of arrays to an array of structures without the need for a traditional for loop. By leveraging transform views and the std-ranges copy function, you can streamline the data transfer process and enhance the readability of your code. So, next time you find yourself in a similar situation, remember this approach to simplify your coding tasks. Keep coding smart, and until next time, happy coding!